Hello guys and welcome. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So to get started, I'm brushing through my freshly washed and blow dried hair. And today I'm going to be using these two super beautiful colors, this brown and goldish / yellowy blonde color. I don't know how to quite describe this, but I really love this vibrant color and I love them especially together. I just think they really complement each other. So of course I'm going to start off by parting my hair. Now I've been doing my own braids since 2012 and honestly guys, my partings have never got neater ever since then, so please don't judge the neatness of my partings. It's very hard to have neat partings, especially since I wasn't using a mirror from behind, but trust the process. In the front is going to look neat, I promise you. If you're not familiar with knotless braids or you don't know the difference, knotless braids are basically when you start braiding your own natural hair from the base and then you add in small amounts of braiding hair bit by bit until you're happy with the thickness of your braid. I'm also not the best at explaining things. This is not strictly a tutorial video of how to do braids, but if you see how I'm braiding my hair, I'm starting at the base, braiding my natural hair and then adding in bit by bit the blonde hair, then the brown hair, and just alternating through my head in that way. So the first two brown and blonde braids are done. I'm going to continue on with another brown and blonde braid to make 4 on the base. Okay, 4 braids done and you can really see how these two colors complement each other. It was from this moment on that I knew I was going to really love this hairstyle, so let's continue on with the braiding. So another milestone has been reached, the hair is starting to take shape, and here I have 3 rows completed, and you can really start to see the colors working well together. So honestly, filming was such an extra process that it added on to my braiding time. I had to go into day 2. So here I am the next day. I left the front and one side to complete on camera so you guys can see me braiding the last braids. So this hair came pre-stretched and you can see how super long it is. But moving on, I'm going to continue finishing off the side of my head. Now we've come to the front section that I've specifically left in almost a square shape because this is where I'm going to try and get neat. So I'm going to do the first half off camera and then come back and show you the rest. I really wish doing my hair in real life was that quick. But moving on guys, I'm going to show you how I do the front. I've sectioned off 3 rows and I use some hair gel to help me get those partings extra neat. So I'm going to continue off braiding my hair in that way. Okay, we have come to the final row and you can really see how this hairstyle is starting to shape up, guys. I cannot tell you how much I love this hair. Please, if you love this hairstyle, do give me a like, a comment, a share. Anything you can do to help boost this video because I worked so hard on this hair, guys, and I am so excited to show you. But let's not get too excited and actually finish off this hair. So to finish off the last row, I'm not forgetting that gel, and I'm also going to make sure each section I part on that row is equal to the opposite side. We have made it to the final braid, guys. Let's finish off this hairstyle. Two days later, the hard work is all done. Guys, I was so nervous that I wouldn't like this hairstyle, but I'm so relieved that I absolutely love these braids. Please do give me a like, comment and share if you also like these braids, or if you like the idea of two-tone braids. So to finish off the hairstyle, I'm going to curl the ends using these foam curlers, and I will just dip these in super hot water, not for too long, maybe just 30 seconds, and then let them cool down naturally until they are dry. And we should have the final reveal. How cute are these curls? That is basically my two-tone / two-color knotless braids. I absolutely love this hair. Please do try it out. I would love to see more two-color hairstyles. If not, I guess I will try and do more myself. But yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.